Hello and welcome to Oliver. Today we will do a comparison between the two popular programming languages, Golang and Python. Golang and Python's popularity is growing like wildfire in the web development world. Some experts suggest Python over Go and some vice versa. If you are unsure about it, then let us help you with an in-depth comparison between Python and Go. Moreover, through this article, we will help you understand which language is better to learn for better career prospects. So let's go right into it. First, let's understand what Golang is. Golang is a great language for API development. Its supportive design is well suited for small and functional microservices. In addition, it is similar to C, which adds the extra benefits of next-gen features such as memory management, garbage collection, and structural typing. What are the features of Golang? Readability and maintainability. Golang is well known for its simplicity. That is, it prioritizes important code and avoids unnecessary complexities. This simplicity feature is a bonus for beginners to gain expertise. Robust standard library. With an extensive set of library packages, Golang offers an easy coding experience. Multiprocessor architecture. Concurrent tools offer goroutines and channels to manage multiprocessor architecture. The multi-architecture feature enhances the scalability and reliability of large-scale applications. Agile execution. The simple and straightforward build of Golang helps in agile execution during web application development. Developers can easily access numerous tutorials from the internet and get started within weeks. Test Go support. It simplifies testing of the package by writing the go test command in the code. It plays a crucial role in ensuring the program's stability. Fast compilation. Golang is designed with the compiler focused on speed, due to which it can achieve significant speed as compared to other languages. Pros and cons of Golang. Pros: easy to learn and code, virtual machine support compilation, garbage collector, lightning fast, scalable language. Cons: frequent program mistakes, huge standalone binaries, lacks community support, new language. Now, let's understand what is Python. Python is a general-purpose language, meaning it has numerous uses and is significantly adopted in developing web applications to machine learning AI. It is the most popular and desirable language in today's age. Features of Python. Code easiness. Python's extensive resources, simplicity, and readability make it easy to learn and code language. Cost-effective. It is a free open-source language, which means it is easily accessible to anyone and allows downloading and usage. Object-oriented language, OOP, modal. Python uses the concepts of OOP class, objects, abstraction, and encapsulation techniques that make code efficient, secure, and easily manageable. Interpreted language. Codes in Python run by line at a time and don't require a compilation, which in return simplifies the debugging process. Portable language. Python can run on various platforms such as Mac, Linux, Windows, and Unix. Developers can also leverage Python code in C and C++ language. Pros and cons of Python. Pros: smooth general-purpose language, few lines of code, fast development process, best for machine learning AI, large community. Cons: difficult to scale, slow, too much flexibility, older language, strict rules. Difference between Python and Go. Go is statically typed compiled language. Python is dynamically typed language. Go is faster compared to Python. Go has the built-in concurrent mechanism. Python has no concurrent mechanism support. Go provides decent security. Python provides a layer of security. Go is best for system programming. Python is best for data science. Go is easy to create complicated systems. Python is challenging to build complex systems. Go has relatively easy and simple syntax. Python is easy and simple syntax. So which one is better, Python or Golang? If you take productivity into consideration, then unquestionably, Go is an excellent choice. With the limited syntax and lightweight libraries, it can speed up the development process. On the other hand, Python has limitations because of its huge libraries and extensive syntax. Thus, Golang takes the spot of being a versatile and simpler language. If you take machine learning into consideration, then Python is the most common choice. It is home to a deep learning framework, where algorithms, data structure, and pseudocode are frequently used. Here, pseudocode is a boon for novices as it makes learning simple and easy. Now let's have a look at the comparison table to know more about these two languages. Go is best for small-scale projects. Python is best for large projects. Go takes longer to deploy. Python takes less time to deploy. Go is mostly used by system administration and security professional. Python is mostly used by system developers and programmers. Go's execution is speed 40 times faster than Python. Python falls short. Entry-level salary. Go developers can make up to $119,639 to $165,750, while Python developers can make up to $97,500 to $150,150. Which language is worth learning in 2023? If you look in terms of career, then Python and Go open up the path for lucrative job opportunities. Both of these languages are in high demand for web development, machine learning, network programming, cloud computing, data analysis, and system-level deployment. So, once you get good hands-on experience with either of these two, it's highly likely to get placed in a good organization and enjoy lucrative salaries. Job roles for Python developers: data scientist, back-end developer, game developer, network engineer, machine learning engineer, web developer, and automation engineer. Job roles for Go developers: DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, system programmer, network engineer, and microservices developer. Final words. Python and Go are widely renowned for their simplicity and share their benefits that greatly reduce developers' tasks. Choosing from these two can vary depending on factors like program effectiveness and maintenance. If your main goal is to develop the tool without compromising scalability and speed, then Go would make the ideal choice for you. But if you focus on generating scripts and tools that effectively run readability across teams, then Python is an excellent choice. Python and Go are both equally popular in 2023. So, whatever you choose between these two, you will land up in a good company with a decent compensation. However, your passion and drive to work with cutting-edge technologies and learn new things will skyrocket your career. For more enlightening reads, head over to our blog at olibr.com/blog. And hey, if you're on the hunt for exciting job opportunities, jump over to olibr.com and sign up. Unearth your potential, ignite your passion. Join our vibrant community across LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Threads. Stay tuned for more exciting tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates. Until next time, keep innovating.